Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to access Google Chat. Right, so in order to do this, you want to go ahead and open up your browser. Doesn't matter which one. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome, and you want to make sure that you sign into your Gmail. Now once you signed in, you can go ahead and click on the apps icon here on the uppermost right hand side, and this will open up the Google apps. Now somewhere here within the list you'll find Chat, and this is the Google Chat. As you can see, the icon looks very similar to the Meet icon, so you will be able to identify it very easily. So once you find the Google Chat, all you have to do is just simply open it, and if you're opening it for the first time, you will be able to get some instruction about Google Chat. Right, so as you can see, you will see the get started, and it will give you as well few more information about catching up, etc, etc, etc. Right, as you can see here on my screen. Now once you're there, guys, in order to use the chat now, you have to make sure that you create spaces, because by default you're not able to speak with anyone unless you create a space. So if you come here and go to new chat, you will only see if you have some people that you know, otherwise it will look blank just like this, and you're wondering how you can add someone to this chat. Now in order to do this, you need to create a space, and as you can see here, in order to create a space you need to click on new chat, and then you have the option to browse spaces if you have spaces, or you can go ahead and create a space. So just go ahead and click create a space, and you want to give your space a name. In this case I will just write Drew. So you can see I name my space Drew Tutorial, and you can give it a description if you wish, and here you will go ahead and add the email addresses of the people you want. So you can just add whatever you want, just simply go ahead and add an email address here, and you can add as much people as you want, and you can easily go ahead and add those email address or the name of the people that you want. Right, and if you like to add like a little emoji to your space, you can go ahead and click this plus icon here, and you can just give it whatever you want. You can go through the different options that you have, and you can just simply give it an emoji and then go ahead and create. Now by default, once you create it without anyone inside, you will be the only member here, so you can always go back and add people. And as you see right here, you see the option add people and apps, and you can go about doing so if you so desire. You can share files, you can assign tasks, you can even add like a video meeting. You can do so much with this, guy. So if you click add people here, you will see that you can add email addresses, or you can find apps, you can find groups, and so much. It's a very useful application, so you want to go ahead and take full advantage and use this Google Chat. So it's very useful, it's a very useful one. So all you have to do is just simply go ahead and type the email address or a group or app, and you can just simply go ahead and add them. Now once you do that, you just need to click add button here, and that's all there is to it. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.